In this video, I'm going to show you how you can change your Steam country or region. If you do find this video helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. It really does help us out and it would mean a lot to us. Changing your Steam region will update the currency and game prices based on your new location, which can be pretty helpful. Here's how you can go ahead and do this very easily. Go ahead and open up Steam just like so, and then click your profile name up in the top right corner. And from here, find the account details option in this drop down. Open this up and it's going to open up a page that looks something like this. You just need to go ahead and find the update store country option right here. As you can see, it says mine is United States. You simply just need to go ahead and click on that. And if you've moved to a new country or your device is located in a new country, Steam is going to allow you to update your region during your next purchase. Just simply make sure you're using a valid payment method from your new country, and Steam will give you the option to update your store region automatically, either in your cart or during checkout. But that really is all there is to it. If this video did help you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for even more Steam tips and tricks, as well as a bunch of other tutorials. Have a great rest of your day. Bye bye.